it's again, it's not a matter of gaining, it's a matter of minimizing the loss.
Yes.
Ooh, you turned on.
All right.
Yeah. My Mitsubishi 3000 GT had that.
BMW 325e Stephen Vest just turned in 58.949 and 58.949.
Does that make a lot of difference though?
That is clean run for Steve.
Sounds cool.
Well, it automatically opens up when you go to Sport or Sport Plus.
But you never touch sound, do you?
Oh, no.
In the blue Honda Civic, Michael Valen just turned a 51.894 and 51.89.
Yeah, the brakes weren't nearly hot enough. There's a 51.8 there.
Yeah, it's falling. We're on second runs now.
Here we have the blue Ford Focus Steve River Vista. Willow just turned a 58.203, that's 58.203, and that is a clean run for Willow.
Yeah, this C8 here truck is super badass, man.
Yeah.
There we have the gray Toyota MR2 driven by Frederick Sherrill.
Yeah, this opening is a screamer, dude.
Yeah. Yep. It's just like, how far do you stay in first?
Until it red lines.
I don't do that. I don't know. I just never felt comfortable doing that. It always seemed the shift was always too rugged after that. But hey, it works. And for you, it works.
Ready?
I'm ready, man. Fire it up.
All right, you ready?
Get down here.
Yep.
Try to give it up just a little bit. There it goes. Much better.
Yep.
Already giving it up on me. I was way too hot in here on the first one.
No, you can save it here. There we go.